All right, we're gonna make some hearty and healthy apple cinnamon oatmeal. I put 2/3 cups of oatmeal in a bowl and 2/3 cup of water. I'm just gonna stir it and microwave it for 1 minute. And now I'm stirring again and I'm gonna microwave for 30 seconds. I stop it in the middle to make sure I don't need to add any more water because I don't like it too thick. Now my oatmeal is done and I'm just stirring it around a bit, and I'm gonna add some cinnamon and some unsweetened applesauce. Now I'm just gonna fold the applesauce into the oatmeal. I don't really mix it in well. I just fold it in so that I can still see kind of the oatmeal and the applesauce separately. And then I'm gonna add a pack of walnuts, almonds, and dried cherries. I've also used, there's another pack like this that's almonds, cashews, and dried cranberries. That's good too. And this is it. It's that easy. The dried fruit and the applesauce add a little sweetness. The nuts add a little crunch. It's very hearty and warm, and it's pretty healthy. No added sugar, salt, butter, or anything like that. So enjoy.